Next in Python we are going to go for loop, in which first of all we are going to print numbers from 1 to 100. So for loop will go like this. For here we are taking a variable, and for I in range within bracket. Now here within bracket we have to put starting point from where we want to start our numbers. I want it should start from 1 and it should finish on 100. So for that here I am giving 101. Bracket close and put colon, print, and here we are going to print our variable, that is I. Save it and run it. So here it is printing our numbers from 1. It has printed series of number from 1 to 100. If we want to print it up to 101, then we have to change our limit from 101 to 102. Then it is going to print us all the numbers from 1 to 101. 102 will not be included in that. So here we can see that it has printed our numbers from 1 to 101. Next, we want to print the series of number, reverse series of number, like from 100 to 1. So here we have to make changes. Our numbers are starting from 100, so it will start from 100. We want to go up to 1, so here we have to give 0, then it will go up to 1, and each time we have to reduce one number, so minus 1. Save it, and this thing is going to give us reverse series of number, that is from 100 to 1. So here we can see that this printed all the numbers starting from 100 and it is going up to 1. If we want to print numbers till 0, then here we have to change our condition. Here we have to give minus 1, because this thing, when we specify 0 here, then it prints up to 1, and here we are specifying minus 1, that means that it will go up to 0. Save it and run it. So here we can check that it has gone up to 0 and it is starting from 100.